turkey.
Why, thank you. This looks amazing.
Yeah.
Wow.
Enjoy.
What do we have here?
It's bacon lardons. I don't know how to say it. With caramelized onion, a little bit of pesto, and I did kale for color and health. We've now spent several weeks exploring the island of Martinique, whether by boat or bus. One day, we took the bus into the city of Fort-de-France, where we walked around aimlessly, checking out what looked to me like the Paris of the Caribbean. Most places were closed, as the daytime is pretty quiet around here. There's plenty of sightseeing and beautiful buildings on every corner. Like true cruisers, we found ourselves lurking through a marine store before heading back to our anchorage. Our friends needed some stuff for their head. You know, the good stuff, the deodorizer for your toilet. So this is the stuff we do as cruisers. Like, you get so excited to go to a city, but you're still out here in a boat store looking for toilet deodorizer. This is our lives.
It's all about the head, people. It doesn't matter what you do or what you say, it's all about the head. I know that sounds dirty, but it's true. It's a dirty job.
It's too good. The bus has proven to be a great way of seeing more towns without having to move our homes. So we hopped on for another day of wandering. This time, it led us to a deserted hotel property.
Wow.
Hotel Maruba seemed to be a once popular hotel and club here in Martinique. Reviews proved guests really loved it. We came across one review from 7 years ago stating that the hotel had since been abandoned. We can't find out why this is. Our first instinct was storm damage, but it actually looks more like it was simply deserted.
Crazy. This is a bigger hotel than it looks like. Yeah. Like, there's rooms all the way back here.
This would have been badass at one point.
Right?
Yeah. This was a big place. Look at all this property
This is big.
back here.
This is huge. Fire extinguishers everywhere.
Yeah, this would have been definitely would have been a really pretty place. You can tell it's not that long ago that it was something like
Rather.
something beautiful. There's a cottage and
I'm going in. It's a pretty big ass property. It's huge. It's huge. I just wanted to see what one of the rooms looked like.
yeah, be careful what you find.
I know. They're small.
Oh, this would have been cool. Two of my favorite things in life. Where are you guys at?
In reception.
Ew, you're in here? Gross.
Yeah. All the room keys, all that shit's in here.
The room keys are in there.
Yeah.
Are they?
Yeah.
Babe, I don't want to go in there.
Bring it in.
Bring the camera in here.
I can like see the bugs.
Give me the camera.
What? There's somebody here as well.
Here.
And we're just exploring.
They can yell at us, it's fine. This isn't creepy or anything. Hotel room keys everywhere. This is like the office area where you check in. You can get all the keys to everything. Reception, where you check in. Everybody's documents for the restaurant and everything. This is executive offices and everything. Files.
Check this out.
Le restaurant.
This is where le restaurant.
La toilette.
Like the toilet.
Here.
This is the
Le restaurant. Wow, this is
And
huge.
there are. You must wear a shirt. You cannot be in a bikini. Wear some shoes. And please don't smoke. And then this is where you would dine. Look at this. It's huge.
It's crazy, eh? Stumbled across the day.
See? There's that sign again. This is where I would be having a croissant. What is this on the floor? It has the texture of poo. Do we know what this is? Is it a bunch of poo? Yeah. No. Yeah. Wait, is it? Yeah. You guys. Ew. This is disgusting is what this is. That was all poop.
Yeah.
Look at the freezers.
Look at this. Look at this walk-in.
Golly. Yeah, this is a sweet walk-in.
This is a huge walk-in.
I'm a little bit disturbed, if you can't tell. This is not saying that this isn't cool, but I am a little creeped out by all the feces.
There might be a rat somewhere.
You think? There's definitely a rat in here.
I was waiting for that.
This mother sucker.
I'm sorry.
I knew that was happening.
He's getting us right as we have the creeps.
Why is this creepy?
What do you mean, why is this creepy?
It keeps going in there, yeah.
Okay, I feel like I'm in the Blair Witch Project.
I found the wine cellar.
You found the wine cellar. Did anything live? Because if anything, that's what I would like.
No.
Nothing lived.
has lived.
If you think that I wouldn't check on those wines, you're wrong, because I would. Ew. We are cleaning these shoes before we get anywhere near our boat. And the dinghy. Like, we are cleaning our shoes.
Yeah.
This is disgusting. But very cool.
I just want to say that I do not want to see what this place is crawling with at night.
Yeah.
Can I open this?
No. There's probably a dead body in there.
The size of this kitchen is awesome.
Yeah. There's just a random Nope, they're live. Yeah. Is there a way to not walk over the poop? Okay. We must walk on the poop.
This restaurant space is massive.
Oh, this was a buffet.
It has to be buffet.
This was a buffet because it's a breakfast place.
Several people came in here and just cleaned everything out.
Well, yeah, I'm sure.
While destroying things.
Yeah. Do you think it's...
Clearly plenty of vandalism was here. But I mean, you can, like you saw, you can walk right in. It's not like there's anybody here to... There was a woman who walked by when we were exploring the offices, and I thought she was going to say something to us, but I mean, it's not like anyone works here, so. Here, we can get a job, babe. This is where we start. Let's renovate a hotel. Investors, anybody?
Gazebo.
Oh, I love a gazebo. There's something about that little buffet breakfast area that everybody likes to poop in, because there's no poop over here.
Yeah, we're not.
This view.
Yeah.
We've got this way if you want.
Cabaret show.
Cabaret show?
Yeah.
You think it's been down since 2013?
That looks like it.
So cool.
Wow. Star Wars, all this stuff.
Wow.
Some
At
cabaret.
one point there was
Le cabaret shows here.
yeah.
Box office.
Oh, that's cool.
No,
I gave the freaking bullets.
Oh yeah, this is where the
This
sound,
was just
sound and
that
lighting.
was, yep.
Yeah, sound and lighting.
It feels like it was deserted quick.
Yeah.
And just left
If we dare to make it up these sketchy stairs, there's a door open up here.
Okay.
We're being careful.
Gross.
This is the same room.
Down below.
You wanna go? Let's go.
Club member.
Going down.
Must be a ton of bats in here, maybe.
Something. Someone definitely was living in this one.
Okay.
Like, what was in here that's shitting on the walls?
That's what I'm saying.
If anybody,
Gotta be bats.
if anybody in the comments knows what is shitting on the walls, please let me know. Is this a light? That was worth it.
Yeah.
I feel like I need a shower and to clean my shoes, but
Yeah, walk on the sand for a bit.
yeah, that was interesting, to say the least. There's fire extinguishers everywhere, loaded and ready to go. Gotta clean the doo-doo off.
Us girls, we wasted no time getting to the water. Really?
Yeah, the stairs.
You get your shoes?
Clean my shoes, everything.
That was quite a little adventure, I'd say.
Yeah. It was great though.
Yeah.
They're everywhere.
I guess if you don't want to, you can go.
There's so many. Hey guys. Oh, there's a whole family right there. The babies. Hey buddy. Hey bud. You found something delicious, did you?
It's a step log. Are kind of neat.
And with that, we ended the evening with much needed showers and homemade burgers.